everyone, I just wanted to kind of demonstrate how to annotate in StudySync because it can be a little confusing. If you have the text available, all you pretty much do is you can double click an area where you want to make a note and type your note here. Here is my note. And it creates the note. Okay, so that way you can see kind of how to do that. If you want to remove the note, you can click remove. Okay. If you want to edit your note, say I made my note, create the note, you have to click on it and you can click edit and you can make changes to your note. You can also change the color. If you want your notes on mood and tone, for example, to be in blue, then that is something that can be noted here. It'll be like a blue note. You can also highlight text. So if you double click there, you hit create highlight, and it will highlight the text for you. The highlight color can also be changed as well. So if you want to make it blue, for example, you click save highlight, and then it will show your highlighting in blue. So those will be some of the ways in which you can annotate. If you want to do like a whole section, I haven't exactly figured out how to do that. But if you just click on the note here specifically, this should be sufficient. Like if you're saying, you know, for this whole sentence, I wanted to talk about blah, blah, blah. And create the note, and then we'll know that the note is for this whole section, and that's completely okay too. I'm going to remove these real quick so they won't show up on your end here. See here, and remove. Alrighty, and I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.